Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Isdone dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library error on your Windows 11. So if you encounter this error, it's mostly related to installation of PC game as well as program of large size. Because large games or program have complex data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may through this error. So there are some solutions out there, but I recommend you to try to this solution. The first solution is you can try to increase your virtual memory Windows page file. So in order to access it, you can try to open system properties by hold Windows key and R key on your keyboard and type sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Now you can click on Advanced Performance Settings. Here again you can click Advanced and change virtual memory. And untick this box and you can fill this custom size based on your RAM of your PC or your laptop. So I recommend you to fill up 400 and maximum size is about 3000 and click set. As you can see, I do have 16 gigabyte and it's enough for me. So currently my virtual memory is allocated on 2.1 gigabyte. So you can learn on the internet if you have 8 gigabyte how many initial size and maximum size, and if you have 16 gigabyte how many initial size and maximum size that you can add. Or if you have 32 gigabyte of RAM, do not bother. This virtual memory is more than enough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next